In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and post AI shorts with n8n. We'll build a smooth end-to-end automation that writes your script, makes the audio and visuals, assembles the video, and publishes it to your favorite platforms, all from a single workflow. Start in n8n by opening the workflows area and creating a new workflow. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, and keep an eye on the workflow's active switch for when you're ready to go live. Think of this as your production line. Everything will run through here. Choose how you want the workflow to start. For fully automated posting, add a schedule node and set the cadence that fits your content plan, making sure the time zone matches your audience or your own working hours. If you prefer to trigger videos on demand, use a Google Sheets trigger to pull the next idea from a sheet, or a webhook trigger so you can kick things off with a single request. Test whichever trigger you pick to confirm it fires as expected. Next, handle script and content generation with an OpenAI node. Provide a clear prompt that asks for a short-form script, a compelling title, and a few prompt ideas for visuals. Keep the output concise for shorts, aim for punchy lines and strong hooks, and have the node return structured fields so you can pass the title, script, and prompts cleanly to later steps. Tuning temperature and max tokens helps balance creativity with consistency. For audio, send the script to a text-to-speech provider like 11 Labs. Select a voice that fits your brand. Set a standard sample rate and output MP3 or WAV. Save the file path or URL so it's easy to reference during assembly. A quick check of pacing and pronunciation here saves time later. Generate visuals with a model such as Flux or Runway ML. Use your prompt ideas to create images or short clips, and make sure everything is formatted for a 9:16 vertical frame. Keep visual length aligned with your voiceover. Concise cuts and on-screen emphasis work best for shorts. Assemble the final video with a rendering service like Creatimate. Feed in the audio, visuals, and title. Use a vertical 1080 by 1920 template, and add captions or text overlays if your template supports them. Set a consistent frame rate and export to MP4, then capture the rendered file URL for publishing. Finally, publish using HTTP request nodes or built-in integrations for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Authenticate securely, pass the title and description, choose privacy or draft for test runs, and log the response so you can track each upload. That's it. Your automated AI Shorts pipeline is ready to run end-to-end with n8n.